Hello and welcome. It is Tuesday, April 10, 2018. Very news busy type of day. Lots going on with the President Trump. Also, other influences on the stock market. We have Zuckerberg testifying, and so plenty of potential for pressure to come into the market. This support zone, this is a Supra trade. It's part of the Supra certified trades. It is a layered approach to recognizing and defining opportunity. And at the moment, it's quite a ways away from the market. But if the market's able to come back down, then we'll be able to see how FillFinder treats this zone. Quite a ways away, 1537 to 36. It's a support zone. We're in a bullish scenario. Unless some tragic news happens or some major announcement comes through. But as it sits right now, the market's feeling bullish. It's exhibited numerous instances of bullishness, and so we're just trading according to what the market is telling us. The Supra approach is really based on that. It's based on reading the market, treating the market as something bigger than us and something that we need to simply correctly read and sync ourselves up with, and in so doing we can capture some of the power that the market itself possesses. And so that's just a little angle on how the approach works. But again, like I said, it is a multi-layered, vetted approach where each step increases the probability of the trade. And then FillFinder does the order flow reading in real time for us. And so it gives us the chance to trade multiple markets, as you've seen in today's activity on April 10th, 2018. Lots of different price zones have come up in various markets across the U.S. stock indices. It's not just been all only in the ES or only in YM or whatever contract you like to trade. It's really been across the board. And so how to get your hands on that opportunity is a challenge that Supra solves. The trade setups, like I said, increase probability of each trade, and then the FillFinder automation is able to read multiple markets simultaneously, and so you're able to monitor the opportunities and then send FillFinder after those opportunities without having to just focus in on one bid-ask scenario, one order flow scenario in one market, or try juggling more, and that's usually a losing effort. So the market has come all the way down. This is a big pullback here. The market's just touched the top edge of the support zone, 1537 to 36. And so now it's just a matter of whether or not FillFinder finds a fill, and here it is. Okay, so 38.3 is the fill price. Stops down at 36.7. So we're looking at 170 per contract on the initial risk. The smaller target is not far from the market, up at 38.7. And so we can see, if we look over at the bid ask, 37.2 is our ask, 36.9. So the market just almost came back to our stop. 36.7 is the stop. Last tick is 36.8. And so right at it, now we just pushed back up 37.7. And so as you can see, TF, the Russell is a little bit on the thin side, but this is just to highlight that it is in fact tradable, and FillFinder is able to work with whether it's a ton of volume or very thin, as you can see here in TF. In either case, FillFinder is able to work out those differences there and recognize the opportunity regardless. And so long 2, the smaller target filled, and so long 2 now, 1538.3, stop still at 36.7, and we're looking for a 41.9, so a decent move to get back up just in the vicinity of this recent sell-off. We're not looking for a retest of the high, but from 41.9 down to the 38.2, 38.3, it's a split fill. So you can see on the right it says long 1538.2 near the P&L. And then on the screen, long 2 at 38.3. That's because it's a split fill. There were 4 contracts. 2 came in at 0.2, 2 came in at 0.3. So it's just a split right down the middle with that. Pardon me, I'm getting over the flu here. And so currently long and looking for the market to move from 41.9 down to 38.3. And so a decent amount of profit there, 370 per contract available. 360, excuse me, 370 depending. And so now it's just a matter of letting this play out. And so I'll just stop the narration at this point, and we'll fast forward and let it catch up here. All right, so the market has woken up. 38.3 is the entry, 38.2, 38.3 split fill. The market's currently right up near the profit objective, 41.7, and then just filled. So just went through our 41.9 profit objective. And so able to capture a good size move from 38.3 up to 41.9, 360 per contract. There were 2 that started that position for the larger quantity, or excuse me, the larger profit at quantity 2 target. And so at quantity 1, we had the smaller target, and that was a gain of $40 per contract for 80 because there were 2 contracts traded there. And then on the larger, we're looking at 360 times 2. So that puts a 720, right about 800. And then with the split fill, we got 0.5 on a couple, and well, averaged out. And so the net on that before costs is 790 on today's TF buy opportunity. And like I had mentioned, if you want to learn more about the order and the sequence that you can start to implement and start to use along with the algorithms that you see here, you can reach us at tradingsupra.com. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.